Hey, Craig Heffernan here. These are some of my upcoming videos for 2025. Make sure you subscribe, or better yet, join my channel. This is one of my first decks I built 35 years ago in Syracuse, New York. I show you how I kept the existing deck frame, posts, and wood railings while just removing the old wood deck floorboards. This video will go into great detail, showing you drawings, a material list, and the current cost of the Trex decking and other materials. I built this deck 26 years ago in Erie, Pennsylvania. It was still in great shape, but the homeowner decided to refreshen it up with all composite decking and rails. All the materials used on this job are in stock and made by Trex. Along with doing it yourself, you'll save tons of money. Yes, that's right, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We show you how to build a 12 by 10 all wood balcony. It's constructed with all pressure treated lumber for the frame, railings, and decking. This type of build is the least expensive and is tested to last at least 35 years. Whoa, don't be scared of this 12 by 16 upper level deck with a center landing staircase. This video will go into great detail how to build it yourself. The posts, frame, stair stringers, and railings are all pressure treated lumber, while the decking, stair treads, and top rail are all TimberTech brand composite lumber. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see how you can get the plans and drawings for most of my videos. It's free. I'm also a landlord. I gutted several buildings in the city of Erie and brought them back to life. You make them real nice and you'll attract the best of the tenants out there. Save money and learn to do it yourself. I'll give you tips and tricks of being a landlord. Don't be a slumlord and subscribe today, it's free. Other videos coming out this year teach you how to use your own garage into a fold-away wood shop. I show you how to build tons of things for yourself and others. Be the hero of your family and subscribe today. I've built a lot of kitchen cabinets in my day, and I want to show you as much as I can so you can do it as well. A lot of the tools that I use are most likely going to be the tools that you're going to want to use. They're compact, non-permanent, the best for your budget, and get the job done. You're going to feel like the best of the do-it-yourselfers out there when you can build your own custom countertops with plastic laminate. Some of the laminates look just like granite. They're durable, easy to clean, and they are the least expensive counters out there. Here's a real easy one for the do-it-yourselfer: how to install new vinyl flooring. Look at this one. I replaced a 6-foot window with a 9-foot bow window. This required me to have a larger header on that weight-bearing wall. I'm in the middle of documenting this 56-foot by 72-foot pole building with a wraparound lean-to. I'll show you several videos on how you can do it yourself, so please hit that subscribe button so you're the first to be notified of my upcoming videos.